Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Today we got 3 HOUNDSTONE EX boxes. We're gonna open up, see what's inside. As you see, we've separated them out into 3 piles, and we're gonna try to keep them separate to see which box performs better at the end. Now, all the promos are the same. We have Grievered. Nice little ghost puppy. Oh, there's our swirl, guys. We got our swirl. And then we have HOUNDSTONE EX also. Super shiny. I love that we got a swirl on our Grievered. And we got 1, 2, 3 code cards for you guys. And our 3 oversized Houndstones. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love these oversized cards, man. As you see, we display our Kingdra one. It's too big to fit where we put the other ones. And for the pack reveal, Stellar Crown, Twilight Masquerade. Stellar Crown, Twilight Masquerade. That's right, it's this setup in all 3 boxes. I looked at these and I said, heck yeah, these are definitely worth the money. I think it was like $22 per box. So we're gonna jump right into it. And we all love Twilight Masquerade because we all know what's in there. But I don't hear too much about Stellar Crown, honestly. Mo wrote them. Cute little Eevee that haunts us from our Prismatic video. If you haven't watched it, check it out. Riolu. Duraludon. Azumarill. Reshiram. Luminion. I love how the sun is shining right through the water. Fletchinder. Ooh, the reverse Duraludon in the same pack. And a Hydrapple EX for the first pack out of the box, guys. Let's go. Starting off with a banger. Excellent. And we're going to stagger it, 1 of each. So how's the Pokemon hunt going for everybody? Are we finding all our stuff? Are we opening? Are we getting our hits? Are we finding our singles that we want? Let me know in the comments. Abra, super adorable. Always loved Abra. Skarmory. Applin. Yay, we just got your evolved form, bro. Farigiraffe, Jamming Tower, Glaceon, coming back to haunt us again from our Prismatic. If you haven't seen it yet, I just posted it, I believe, a few days ago. Go check it out, guys. Prismatic Evolutions ETB we opened on the channel. Iron Leaves. Pretty cool, though. Yeah, it was honestly really cool getting our hands on a Prismatic Evolutions ETB. It wasn't really cool how much it cost. But to be able to open was a really cool experience. And there's a really sick promo card that comes in the ETBs. If you haven't seen it, guys, Diplin we got your Evolve form. I'm going to link it, and actually, I'm going to put it in the description. Y'all check it out. Pangoro. Celebi. Always love to see it. I wish we could get a nice full art legendary again. That Lugia was a nice pull a long time ago. Togedemaru. The reverse Applin. We're getting a lot of these. Just seeing them in the packs and getting the reverse also. Pangoro. I kind of like that. Ladian. Showing up out of nowhere. Right out the blue. Alright, cool. Not bad. And we got one more out of this first box, which blessed us with a nice full art at the beginning. Love to see it. Caretaker. Glimmet. Lampent. I like that a lot. Poltergeist. Revavroom. Overpowered Vacuum. Ogre's Mask. Maybe we'll get one. Sunflora. Let's be honest. Did anybody ever use a Sunflora? I did not. I never even used the Sunkern. Accompanying Flute. Varoom. We got an Ogerpon, guys. We did it. We got a mask. We got the Cornerstone EX. Excellent. That is awesome. All right, so we got 2 hits out of that first box. Hydrapple and Cornerstone Ogerpon. Pretty solid first box, guys. Let's move on to box number 2 in the right corner. Stellar, Twilight, Stellar, Twilight. I personally think this is a pretty sick lineup to open. It's like one is kind of a sought after set, and the other one still, I'd say, relatively new, but really not as sought after for some reason. You don't see, like I said, people really going for the Stellar Crowns too much. I'm not sure why. I really personally like this Lilip. Love the arts on these cards. I think they did a really good job. Tornadus, like that is super cool. Dubwool. Like, the mountains in the back, like, yeah. I love this set. Noctowl. Oh, look at a cute little Meryl. He's in the rain. He's happy as a clam. We got Metal, guys. Out of the first pack of the second box. And I hope y'all are enjoying our little Paradox dip and our 151 mini tins over on our full art or big ol' fart series. I've been having a lot of fun making those for you. It's super cool, especially that dip. Just stick my hand in a bag, pull out a pack. It's so cool. I love just how random it is. Chi-Yu. Lucky Helmet. Morpeko. Fezandipity. Actually looking really cool. Okie Dogie. He used to be in the Trick or Trade packs. Halfway down, Stellar Crown. But yeah, in our Paradox dip, we got a nice full art in our first episode. And in the 2 since, we have not got so lucky. But we have a bunch more Paradox packs to go through. Like I said, we're on a hunt when it comes to that series. We are looking out. Tortuga. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it if you want a good laugh. Marowak. Always such a sad story. Toadscruel. That story always kind of got to me in Gen 1 with Lavender Town and Cubone and Marowak. It always hit a nerve. We got the reverse Melmetal. And a little Dreadnought. Starter lineup. This second box is not as forgiving so far as our first box was. But we got one Twilight left in it. And who knows what could be in this Twilight with an Abra on the front. We've seen it. We love it. Teleport. We always hated catching it. But when we did, it was awesome. I always used Abra up until Alakazam. I loved it. Because he was so hard to get and went, ooh, Chimchar. Super cute. And when you got him, it was like, dude, I have to get Kadabra. He's going to be the strongest Pokemon in my party at the time. And he was. Let's be real. We would go to that. Ooh, Melodic. We would go to that SS Ann. And we would beat our rival like nothing with a Kadabra. Chansey. Oh, look at the little Litwick. My goodness, it's so adorable. I want to burn my hand petting it. Ooh, we got the Teal Mask Ogerpon EX, guys, to go with our cornerstone. Okay, this is turning into an Ogerpon video. All right, we got one nice little hit out of the second box. If I can get it in there, yeah. So here's our reminder. Hydrapple, Cornerstone Teal Mask, Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon out of the first one. Teal Mask Ogerpon out of the second one. Some nice little hits. Always good to see a few hits. Stellar Twilight, Stellar Twilight. And we're hoping this last box kind of brings us home. Because these things were yelling at me on the shelf to grab them. They said, yo, there's something in here. You got to get us. You'll never know if you don't. Gambling. Just kidding. Pancham, Charjabug, Salandit, Yamask, Your Mask, Driftlebim. That's awesome. Payapa Berry. Almost said Papaya Berry. Russia Ram. Like a Celebi. You always love to see it. You just wish you saw a better version. Glameow. Reverse Hollow. Look at the tail. So springy. Arcaberry. Getting all the berries. Creamy. Coming out the first pack. Trying to give us a cupcake. Should we take the cupcake, guys? Yes or no in the comments. If you see an Creamy in the wild and you don't have any Pokeballs, do you take the cupcake? Yes or no? Oh my goodness. Poochyena. Palossand. Timber. What a helpful hand. Spinnerack. I don't know, guys. I'm not a fan of spiders to begin with. If I saw one of these, I don't know what I'd do. Probably just cry and run away. Community Center. Iron Bundle. When Deli Bird finally becomes useful. Probo Pass. Ooh, a reverse little jamming tower. We got the reverse Iron Bundle again. Seeing these doubles out of the same pack is actually really cool. Chandelure. Not bad. Not a bad card to see. We got 2 more, guys, out of this last box. We had 12 packs. We're 3 hits in. Not the best. But we are always happy to be able to open some Pokemon on the channel. Lechonk. Speaking of the channel, if you guys like animals and haven't seen all my animal videos, there's a bunch. Go check them out. I feature my pets and my mother-in-law's pets, my grandmother-in-law's pets, and our friends' pets. They're all super cute. Go give them a visit and say hi. Look at that Slowpoke. How gosh darn adorable is that Slowpoke, bro? My goodness. Ponyta. Same thing as the Litwick. I would just kind of want to burn myself petting it. Not that I'm into that. Ladian showing up for the second time in the video. Last pack. Magic, guys. Twilight Masquerade. Are we gonna get it? I don't know. I don't know. Only one way to find out, and that is to hope and pray that the Pokemon gods put all of their luck into this last pack. Abra. Teleport. Rhyfort. Diplin again. Chi-Yu again. Is that a fire fish? I've never actually ran into a Chi-Yu. Perrin. Another Iron Bundle showing up. Last pack. Magic. Venusaur. Give us something good, buddy. Transfer that energy. Walking Wake. Although really cool what they did with Suicune. I like that. So that last box, guys, struck us out. We got nothing out of that. We got 3 hits out of 12 packs. Was it fun to open? Absolutely. And I hope you guys had fun. We got a bunch more cool stuff for you. We'll see you next time.